वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
You must be the change you wish to see in the world, said Mahatma Gandhi. 75 years ago, on a Friday, August 15, 1947, India gained its independence from British colonial rule. We celebrate this day to honor the sacrifices and struggles our freedom fighters made to make India an independent country. So good morning to one and all present here, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we've organized a special online assembly to celebrate our nation's 75th Independence Day. The sequence of today's assembly is as follows. News by Amrita, Disuno, Anna, and Raisa. Speech by Rishikesh and Sarpanpur. Thought by Luna. Poem by Ananya Datta and Arshita. Musical piece by Haridra. Song by Saswat. And we have a special presentation by all the class 12 students. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.
Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Amrita here with today's news bulletin. First, let's see the national news. Covishield Covaxin mix gives better protection, says the Indian Council of Medical Research. At least 14 states and union territories are set to open schools for classes 10 to 12 this month. Lok Sabha clears bill restoring states' rights to specify OBC groups. Lawmakers across various political parties called for the removal of the existing 50% cap on reservations. Later, both the houses of parliament were adjourned sine die Wednesday, 2 days before schedule. That's all from my side. I would like to hand over Lisuno for the international news.
Thank you, Amrita. Now moving on to the news headlines for today in the international sphere. California has become the first state to order teachers to get vaccine on test. 8 feared death as a helicopter carrying 16 people crashes in volcanic crater lake in Russia. Italy firefighters battle 500 blazes in the last 24 hours as anti-cyclone sweeps across the country. Vietnamese man gets arrested for selling fake COVID-19 test certificates. Now I would like to hand over to Anna.
Thank you, Lisuno. Now I'm here with the state news. The headlines. Kaziranga becomes the first India's national park to be equipped with satellites. Assam tea garden worker sacrifices 4-year girl daughter. Tokyo Olympic 2020 boxer Lavina Borgohain received grand welcome at Guwahati. Now I hand it over to Raisha. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. I'm Raisha here with the sports news. Indian women's cricket team field coaching trainer to be replaced. National Sports Awards function delayed to include performers of Tokyo Paralympics. Assam CM requests Lavina Borgohain to join police force as TSP. Japanese athlete to get softball Olympic gold medal replaced after city mayor nibbles it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Rishikesh and Sarpan will stand before you to speak on the topic Unsung Heroes of the Indian Independence. The freedom that we enjoy today is the amalgamation of years of perseverance of countless number of people, of leaders who dedicated their lives to give a brighter tomorrow to their children. Over the years, some heroes have been forgotten, and we can say that the new generation has probably never heard of them either. Today, we will look briefly into the lives of these besties and their contribution to our independence.
Kartar Singh Sarabha, who is the chief architect of the Gadhar Revolution, is someone who Bhagat Singh considered to be his guru. Sarabha went to the US for studies and came back to set up the Gadhar Party in 1913. His aim was to initiate a mutiny in the British Indian Army, but he fell prey to the betrayal of an insider and was eventually arrested and hanged.
Kanaklata Barua. Kanaklata Barua, better known as Birbala, was an Indian freedom fighter from Assam. She participated in the Quit India movement crucially and stood chiefly at the head of women volunteers line with the national flag in her hand. Her aim was to hoist the national flag at the British-dominated Gaupur police station by shouting slogans against the British, but was shot along with several other volunteers at the age of 18.
Lakshmi Saghal, also known as Captain Lakshmi, was a former Indian Army officer, and she first picked up the gun for the Indian National Army, which was founded by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. She was given the responsibility of establishing and leading the Rani of Jhansi regiment that only had women soldiers.
Rani Gaidinliu. Rani Gaidinliu is a pivotal name among the northeastern freedom fighters. She initiated a religious movement that later transformed into a nationalist movement on a large scale, and Rani Gaidinliu was arrested when she was just 16. Jawaharlal Nehru himself gave her the title of Rani and immortalized her in the history of India's freedom struggle.
There are many other such heroes who have been forgotten and are now unsung. But this Independence Day, let us try to look into the lives of at least one of these heroes, know the sacrifices that they have made, and give them our heartiest gratitude. Thank you. And now pass it on to Lune.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought for the day is on accepting responsibility. May we think of freedom not as the right to do as we please, but as the opportunity to do what is right. I repeat, may we think of freedom not as the right to do as we please, but as the opportunity to do what is right. By Peter Marshall.
सुप्रभात सभी को। देशभक्ति एक ऐसी विरासत है जो हमें अपने पूर्वजों से मिली है। ये चिंगारी है जो देश की भावना को जगाती है। एक देशभक्त व्यक्ति को हमेशा अन्य देशवासियों से सम्मान, प्यार, समर्थन और कभी ना खत्म होने वाला स्नेह मिलता है। ये केवल उनके बलिदानों के कारण ही नहीं, बल्कि देश के प्रति प्रेम, देखभाल, समर्पण और स्नेह के कारण भी है। इसी धारणा के साथ आज मैं आप सबके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। करता नहीं क्यों दूसरा कुछ बातचीत, देखता हूं मैं जिसे वो चुप तेरी महफिल में है। ए शहीदे मुल्को मिल्लत, मैं तेरे ऊपर निसार, अब तेरी हिम्मत का चर्चा गैर की महफिल में है। वक्त आने दे, बता देंगे तुझे ए आसमान, हम अभी से क्या बताए क्या हमारे दिल में है। खींच कर लाई है सब वो कत्ले आम की उम्मीद, आशिकों का आज जमघट कुछ एक कातिल में है। मैं खड़ा मख्तल में, कातिल कह रहा है बार बार, क्या तमन्नाए शहादत भी किसी के दिल में है। हाथ जिनमें हो जुनून, कटते नहीं तलवार से, सर जो उठ जाते हैं वो झुकते नहीं तलवार से। है लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक पे बैठा उधर, और हम तैयार है सीना लिए अपना इधर। हम तो घर से निकले ही थे बांधकर सर पे कफन, जान हथेली पर लिए लो बढ़ चले हम ये कदम। दिल में तूफानों की टोली और नसों में इनकलाब, होश दुश्मन के उड़ा देंगे हमें, रोको ना आज। दूर रह पाए जो हमसे, दम कहाँ मंजिल में है। द्वारा राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल। धन्यवाद।
बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। जन्म जन्म मैं तेरा हूँ दीवाना, मैं चूमू ना चुकाओ तेरे प्यार का तराना। मैं जीना नहीं सोच नहीं दुनिया की दौलत नहीं, बस लूटूंगा तेरे प्यार का खजाना। एक नजर जब तेरी होती है प्यार की, दुनिया तब तो मेरी चमके दमके महके रे। तेरा चेहरा सूरज जैसा चांद सी तंद है प्यार में। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तेरे पास मैं आ रहा हूँ, अपनी बाहें खोल दे। जोर से मुझको गले लगा ले, मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे। तेरे पास मैं आ रहा हूँ, अपनी बाहें खोल दे। जोर से मुझको गले लगा ले, मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे। तू ही मेरी जिंदगी है, तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है। तेरे ही पैरों में जन्नत है, तू ही दिल तू जान। अम्मा माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Change can be beautiful when we are brave enough to evolve and adapt with it. Undoubtedly, nobody can deny this, and the universe runs on this principle. The global COVID-19 or the coronavirus pandemic affected people from all stratas of life. We, the students too, were not spared. The educational sector, with the introduction of the online mode of learning, turned upside down.
School is a place where knowledge is imparted with integrity. The affection of the teachers and mischiefs of the students is what makes the traditional ways of teaching more appealing. Delhi Public School Numaligarh has always been a bustling hub of activities. be it the noisy classrooms, basketball fields, hostels, or even the no silence library. Ah, those tiffins of our classmates, passing the notes between the classes, or enjoying the multiple cultural programs like Teachers' Day, Children's Day, or even the morning assemblies.
Living in the 21st century, we are tech human. Just a click on the device and we enter a whole new world. This new world welcomed the education system at the power of COVID-19 pandemic. The online classes were definitely one of a kind experience for all. The online exams where we gave a blind shot at the answers, or joining the meeting late and always ready with the excuse of network issues. Well, definitely it's become a way of life now.
Well, the endless debate on whether online is suitable or offline is never ending. But what is certain is that offline teaching undeniably has a special charm to it. In a broader perspective, innumerable students haven't been able to assess the benefits of online education. Education is for all, and such biasness inevitably comes with online education.
But there is always a sunrise after the sunset. With those thoughts in mind, we all hope that we can return to our beloved school and wallow the last days of our school life.
Now I would like to request Principal Sir to address the gathering.
Morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
So it is nice to attend your meeting, and I am happy that that things are moving very smoothly. Everything arranged properly. It never appears that we are in the online mode. It appears to be as if we are physically connected with each other. Dear students, you are in class 12, and I understand that after a few months you will be out of the school because you will complete your course, class 12 course. But remember, whatever time is left and how we can use, this is very important, because you are passing through a time which is challenging us every day. And if we accept this challenge, what can happen? And I am sure you are making best use of this time with your teachers, with your school. And if everything goes right in the way it is being planned, by September 1st, you may come to the school and we can follow the routine work as we used to. So I wish you all the best, and I am happy that everybody is now well organized in online assembly also, and this is going to help you in your future life. This was not the opportunity with other students that how to conduct things, how to conduct yourself in online mode, which you have learned. This is additional learning for you, which otherwise was not possible in offline mode. So all the best, and wish that this year our result is better than the last year, and you are happy. You come to the school at the earliest, and we are able to spend more quality time with you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Lonu ma'am, for attending the assembly.